Yeah.
I don't understand how that battleship got way to hell in front of me anyhow. Oh, yeah, I do. Now I know. That stupid ass Cleveland, that was running into me.
Mm-hmm.
He slowed both of us down. That's how that battleship got way out there. I got to get out there and get next to him to stop those torpedo bombs because I can stop them. I can
Yeah.
with that AA fire, I can blow them out of the sky. You watch when my AA guns go off on that. Well, that's one of the things you'll like about the Cleveland. I can throw a massive amount of lead up in that sky.
Ooh, we got 2 Rangers. Ooh, couple Nagatos. Oh.
Oh, they've got 2 destroyers. We've got 1. Well, we might win this. Face a good chance of winning it.
Yep.
I guess we're at the opposite ends of the maps again.
Yep.
I'm going to go down through Torpedo Alley here.
Going straight?
When I'm going to C, you're probably going to go to A.
Yeah. See how long that lasts.
Yeah. Man, they always put me out front. Why? See who follows me. Is anybody going to follow me? Fuck no.
Scout launched.
Alright, well, if nobody's going to follow me, I'm not going to go there. I'm turning around.
Oh, good. Come along, just battleships. Come with us. Come with us. We'll see where all these battle wagons are going behind us.
I got a long haul. I got to beat feet over to you. We're going to let them have C.
Yeah.
There comes all the torpedo bombers over to your neck of the woods.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Well, the enemy now has all 3. Well, we've lost. This is over.
Yep. I'm getting the Dodge out of here.
Problem solved, sir.
And there's smoke. And when there's smoke,
And one of our Rangers has no fighters.
oh,
Yeah, what a doofus.
well, I gotta get myself repaired up a little bit.
The enemy is about to win.
No shit.
Alright, now that I've made it all the way over to A, we just captured.
We lost.
Did you see that last statement? Wow, we lost. And it's like, dude, you didn't see that like 500 points ago? It's a surprise? What?
Yeah, I was taking a pounding. I had to get out of there.
Ready?
Can't you find us a mission where everything's like Chester's?
I suppose if we went back to where we were fighting against computers.
Yeah.
The points are a lot greater in this, though, right?
Yeah, supposedly.
Yeah. I've seen 1,000 and 2,000 and 3,000 experience before.
Ooh.
Oh, I hate this map. I really dislike this. There's so much clutter.
Ooh, we might win this one. We got looks like the advantage a little bit. Heck, in fact, the lowest ship we have is me in the Congo.
Action stations.
Well, I'm going for A. You'll probably go for B.
Yeah.
Well, I know that if I'm this close to A, so are they. Yeah, they're already capturing A.
Scout airborne.
Fuck! I don't want to be here. Full stop, reverse course.
Holy Carruthers. See torpedoes in the water. Battle wagon, battle wagon. 2, I'm out of here. I'm sorry, I'm not taking on 3 battle wagons.
Our team has taken the lead.
I got hung up on an iceberg.
Oh, come on, that battle wagon's easy target. He's hung up.
New Orleans, son of a bitch. That's like 2 levels